back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by as usual. So we know that summer's around the corner, but it's never too late to enjoy some spring rolls, and there's so many different ways on how to make them, but I'm going to show you how I make mine. So if you want to see how I make them, then stick around. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything to me. And don't forget to click on that bell notification just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay guys, so over medium heat in a skillet, I'm going to go ahead and warm up some olive oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook my shrimp. Now off camera, I've already cleaned and deveined them, so you definitely want to make sure of that. And I decided to pan fry my shrimp, but you can also boil them. You can cook your shrimp any way you want to. Now once my shrimp is in the pan, I'm going to go ahead and season them with some sea salt and some black pepper. And because my pan is at medium-high heat, I'm going to let the shrimp cook for 1 minute on both sides. You definitely don't want to overcook your shrimp. And you know when your shrimp is fully cooked is when they turn pink. So they're done, and I'm going to take this off the heat and I'm going to get started with my vegetables. So I have half of an English cucumber. It's one of my favorite cucumbers to eat. The skin is thin and you don't have to peel off the skin. And I just cut it in half, and I'm just taking a spoon and I'm going to scoop out all the seeds. And once the seeds are out, you just take a knife and you just start cutting some thin slices. And right now I'm going to take one red bell pepper, another one of my favorites, and I'm just going to cut some thin slices. And I'm going to do the exact same to a yellow bell pepper. These are my two favorite bell peppers, you guys. And if you like green bell peppers, then go ahead and use that as well. But I just love the vibrancy and the different colors of these two bell peppers. So I have a purple cabbage, and I'm just going to peel off the outer layer. And I'm going to take a knife and cut some thin slices around a cup. And I'm also going to measure out a cup of green cabbage, as well as a cup of matchstick carrots. So here are all of my vegetables all sliced up, and look how beautiful and colorful that looks. So let's get started on building some spring rolls. So I'm going to wrap my spring summer rolls in rice paper found in the Asian section of most grocery stores. And to make them more pliable, you just dip them in some water just for a couple of seconds, not too long. And you just lay it on your surface, getting ready to build up your spring summer rolls. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some fresh basil. And then I'm going to add some fresh cilantro. This is optional. Some people don't like cilantro, but go ahead and do it if you like it. And I'm going to go ahead and add the cooked shrimp that I made earlier. And you just continue to add on your sliced vegetables, like I have my cucumbers. And now I have the red bell peppers. And the yellow bell peppers. Now I'm ready to add the purple cabbage, along with the green cabbage and the carrots. And now you just want to wrap the vegetables with the rice paper very slowly and carefully. It could be a little sticky, so you want to just be careful so you don't rip everything apart. And this is what it looks like a little burrito. So you just want to go ahead and wrap up the rest of your spring summer rolls. So I'm done, and this is what they look like. Just a beautiful package of delicious, colorful vegetables. But I'm going to make a dipping sauce. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 chopped garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of Sriracha sauce for a little kick, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of water. Now whisk everything together until the dipping sauce is nice and creamy. So now you have a delicious peanut sauce to dip your spring summer rolls in. Look how beautiful and delicious that looks. But we are done, you guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. Take a picture, I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.